Good morning, friends. And today's presentation, we will see information about foxtail millet cultivation or package of practices for foxtail millet. Before going towards this package of practices, we will see importance of this foxtail millet. Grains cooked like rice and consumed. Grain flour used for preparation of chapatis. Grain contains 12.3% protein, 4.7% fat, 60.6% carbohydrates, and 3.2% ash. Grains are fed to cage birds and also used as a fodder for cattle. These are the some importances of this foxtail millet. Setaria italica is the botanical name of this foxtail millet, which comes under family Gramineae or Poaceae. And Italian millet, German millet, Kakua, Rala are the different common names of this foxtail millet. It is originated from China. Geographical distribution: foxtail millet cultivated in India, China, Eastern Europe, southern parts of Russia, and some extent in Africa and North America. In China, it is an important crop next to rice and wheat and provides approximately 15 to 17% of the total food consumed in China. In India, cultivated in Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. In Maharashtra state, it is mainly grown in dry farming regions of Ahmednagar, Pune, Satara, Sangli, and Kolhapur district. Botany: root, stem. Roots are fibrous and shallow rooted. Stem: foxtail millet is annual with slender and erect lip stem and bends down a great deal with weight of yearhead. Leaves are narrow and green in color. Panicle: inflorescence are dense. Inflorescence is dense, cylindrical, and bristly. The panicle is 5 to 32 centimeter long. The panicle look like a tail of the fox, hence named as a foxtail millet. The grain is smooth and shining and shows a great variety in color. Climate: it is cultivated in tropical and temperate regions, requires moderate temperature and grown successfully with 500 to 750 mm rainfall. Although water requirement is less, the plant has no capacity to recover after long spell of drought. Soil: it can grow in poor soils but requires fairly fertile soil for good yield. Light soils including red loams, alluvial and black cotton soils are all suitable for its cultivation, but it thrives best on rich, well-drained loam soils. Land preparation: this crop does not require much land preparation. The land should be plowed before onset of monsoon. After onset of monsoon, harrowing should be done to break the cloth. Apply required quantity of FYM, that is 10 to 15 ton per hectare at the time of last harrowing, which will help to mix that FYM thoroughly in the soil. Seed and sowing: sowing time for Kharif June July and for summer January. Seed treatment: Thyram at the rate of 2.5 gram per kg of the seed to avoid seed-borne diseases. Spacing: 25 to 30 centimeter within row and 8 to 10 centimeter within plant. Seed rate: doubling. In case of doubling, 8 to 10 kg per hectare seeds, while for broadcasting 15 kg of the seed required. And broadcasting and drilling are the common methods of sowing. Nutrient management: 10 to 15 ton FYM per hectare required. And recommended dose of fertilizer is 40-20-20 kg NPK per hectare. For rain-fed crop, all quantity of fertilizer should be given at the time of sowing. However, under irrigated condition, half quantity of nitrogen and full dose of phosphorus and potash should be applied at the time of sowing. Remaining half dose of nitrogen should be given at the time of first irrigation, that is at 30 days after sowing. Weed management, critical period of crop weed competition is up to 35 days after sowing. During this period we have to keep field free from weeds by following 1 to 2 hoeing and 1 hand weeding. Irrigation management, generally rain-fed crop does not require irrigation. If dry spell occurs for a longer period, then 1 or 2 irrigations must be given. Summer crop requires 2 to 5 irrigations depending upon soil type and climatic conditions. During rainy season, drainage is also essential to remove excess rainwater from the field. Varieties SIA 326, Arjuna, PS4, CO5 are the improved varieties. Then cropping system, generally it is sown as a mixed crop with cotton, maize, pigeon pea and black gram. Popular cropping systems are foxtail millet, linseed, foxtail millet chickpea, foxtail millet barley, foxtail millet field pea. Harvesting and threshing. Yearhead harvesting after 80 to 100 days of sowing, crop should be ready for harvesting. Then mature yearheads should be nipped from the standing crop. The harvesting is done either by cutting the whole plant close to the ground level and carried to the threshing yard, or only the earheads from the standing crop are nipped and brought to the threshing yard, then dried for 2 to 3 days under sunlight, and threshing is done with a stone roller or by trampling under the feet of the bullock. We will get 10 to 11 quintal per hectare yield, 10 to 12 quintal per hectare yield, and in case of irrigated crop we will get 15 quintal per hectare yield. Pest management, armyworm, cutworm and leaf scraping beetle appear occasionally in a serious form in certain areas. Shoot fly also. When pests are noticed, take a dusting of spraying of endosulfone 4% at the rate of dusting of endosulfone 4% at the rate of 30 kg per hectare, or malathion 5% at the rate of 8 to 10 kg per hectare. Disease management, blast and rust. To control blast and rust, spray mancozeb at the rate of 0.02%. Smut, to control smut, seeds should be treated with emulsion at the rate of 2 gram per kg 24 hours before sowing. Green ear disease should be controlled by treating the seeds with Ridomil at the rate of 2 gram per kg of the seed and clean cultivation. References. As usual, Principles and Practices of Agronomy by Balasubramanian, Modern Techniques of Raising Field Crops by Chida Singh, Handbook of Agriculture by ICAR, Textbook of Field Crops by Rajendra Prasad. In this slide, we can see easily how the inflorescence looks like a tail of fox. That's why named as a foxtail millet. Thank you one and all for watching this presentation. Friends, kindly request all of you to watch, share, like and subscribe this channel page, and also tell your friends to subscribe this channel page. Thank you.